What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to scan on your computer with your Epson EcoTank printer. Now today guys I'm using an Epson EcoTank ET-2900. However, if you're using a different model guys, that's completely okay. This tutorial will actually work for any EcoTank guys. The only thing you need to make sure of is that you're connected to the Wi-Fi on your EcoTank already, and if you haven't done that, check out the link below guys, where I do have a full in-depth guide on how to connect your EcoTank to the Wi-Fi. So let's get started. The first thing we are going to want to do guys is to check that our EcoTank and our computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi, and then now I'm going to get my computer and show you how to download the correct software so that we can get scanning. So guys, as you can see, I do have my computer here, and this is the link that we are going to need to go to: epson.sn/E2950. And guys, if you do have a different model, just put your model in there. Put E2850, E2900. Probably ignore the last digit, so put a 0 where the last digit is, because I have a ET2956 or 59, so just remove the 0 and then we will be doing that. So we're going to enter in here guys, and as you can see we go straight to this page for setting up our EcoTank, the ET2950 series. So what we're going to do guys is we are going to go to setup, and then we are going to go to installation and connection setting. We're going to download this guys, and what this is going to do guys is it's going to download the installer for setting up your Epson EcoTank, and this will install all the correct software onto your computer so that you can scan and do pretty much anything from your computer. So open that up guys and accept the terms. Just follow along with what I'm doing on the screen now. It shouldn't take too long of a process. I'm going to cut to when this is done. Okay, I guess I'm not going to cut guys, because for some reason my recording software is not letting me cut at the moment, but let's see what we have in store for us. Okay guys, so what we are going to see now is that it has set up the installer, and we are going to press OK, and we're going to press accept here guys. Unfortunately we have to do this, and it's going to check some stuff. I'm going to select no on these guys, because that is basically them asking if they can sell your data, and you know, we don't like to give these big companies our data for free. So we're going to press yes because we have finished filling our ink tanks. And then now guys, it's just downloading some of the required software, the drivers, so that your printer can have full functionality on your computer. And what you're going to see in a sec is that if you are connected to the same Wi-Fi guys, and you have downloaded the correct software, so guys, you need to make sure that you are definitely on the correct printer when you do this, because otherwise it just won't work. It just won't connect to your computer. Now you can probably go back to the home page like this, and you can probably just look up the printer that you have and do the same steps from here. So if you do have a different printer, that's probably what I would recommend doing. And it's going to install some drivers. So I'm going to cut back to when this is done and we have to do the next step. Okay guys, so if you have followed the instructions correctly, you've downloaded the correct software, and you're on the same Wi-Fi, you will see it automatically pop up. You'll see your printer automatically pop up on the software. So you're going to press next, make sure it's selected, and then it's just going to download some more things. Lots of things getting downloaded onto your computer. I'm sure it'll be fine, right? I'm sure it's not going to end in disastrous consequences. But let's go to now it's doing a network setup, and then it's going to ask you, should ask you which features you want to actually download. So we're going to check that when it comes. I'd honestly recommend getting pretty much all of them, just so you have full functionality over your printer when you are using it. But the one that you definitely want to install guys, especially for people watching this video, is Epson Scan 2. So you want to download, make sure all of these are selected if they aren't already, and then I'd honestly just select all of them, and then press next or install, and then it's going to download them. And then once we are done with that guys, there isn't much you need to do now. Now that you've done that, you will have Epson Scan 2. So I'm just going to cut to when this is done. There isn't really much more to do. It's going to say like, would you like a test print? You can do that if you want, just to make sure it's working, and then it's going to ask if you want to register to Epson. I would say no, it's not very useful, but that is it, guys. And then once this is done, you can start scanning. So what you want to do, guys, is go to your search bar and search, sorry about that, guys. You want to search up Epson Scan 2. And then what it's going to do is now that you've installed it correctly, it's going to automatically find your printer, as we can see here. And so what we need to make sure of is that we have a document ready to scan face down on the glass and in the correct position. Okay, so we have something ready to scan. And guys, you can see all of these settings here, and you have advanced settings as well. I'll let you guys have a look at that so that you can get the best scans that you want. I'm just going to go for these default settings and do a preview scan just to show you that it works. You can save the image however you want here. This is how you save it into a different format. But as we can see, guys, it is scanning our document, even though it was a really bad scan because we did it in black and white and we did it in the lowest resolution possible. So if you want a better scan, then do something like this, and hopefully, here we go. Look at that. It's a little better now. But yeah, guys, that is how to scan, and then you can select where it saves and press scan, and then it should just save there, and it will open up the place where it scans. So I'm going to scan it now, and you're going to see it will literally just open up the file, so you don't have to go searching for it. And yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If this did help, make sure to like and subscribe, as that would help us out so much. If you guys are in the need for any printer supplies, paper, ink, anything like that, guys, even a new printer, please check out our sponsor in the description. They are a worldwide paper supply company, guys, printer supply company. They do really good deals and have really good prices, really fair prices as well. And yeah, guys, you'd be supporting a small business, and you would be supporting us, which would be really helpful. And yeah, thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you after this scan is done. Let's just wait, just so I can show you guys that it does indeed work and save onto your computer. I think because I selected a higher resolution, it is taking a little bit longer. But guys, let me tell you more about this small business. So, guys, choosing to help a small business would really help us out. Because guys, what I like to say is, don't buy everything off Amazon. Jeff Bezos doesn't need any more money. Okay, so yeah, choosing to help a small business would really help us little guys out. And yeah, that's what makes the world go round, guys. This is taking an unbelievably long time. I'm gonna cut back to when this is done. Okay, guys, so it actually did finally get done, and it just opened up the folder that it's in, and as you can see, we have the scan. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.